Hi students, welcome to maths class. In this section we are studying about geometric series. Okay, geometric series. The geometric series sigma n equal to 0 to infinity. The geometric series sigma n equal to 0 to infinity a into r raised to n is equal to, remember that when n equal to 0 it is a into r raised to 0, that is a into 1, that is a, plus second term is when n equal to 1 it will become a into r raised to 1, plus when n equal to 2 it will become a into r square, plus etc. a into r raised to n minus 1 plus etc. Okay, remember that this geometric series converges if modulus of r is less than 1. Okay, remember that another important result is sigma n equal to 0 to infinity a into r raised to n converges if modulus of r is less than 1. Okay, modulus of r is less than 1. We know that the nth partial sum is Sn. Sn is the nth partial sum of the geometric series and is equal to Sn equal to a plus ar square plus etc. plus a into r raised to n minus 1. Okay, Sn equal to, first term is a, common ratio is r, therefore second term is a into r, third term is a r square plus etc. nth term is a into r raised to n minus 1. Okay, that is our Sn. What is our Sn? Sn is the nth partial sum of this series, and this is equal to, we know that it is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, very important. This is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, then listen, this is our Sn. Sn means the sum of n terms of this geometric series, that is our Sn. Sn is equal to, we know that a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. Now we want to prove that this series converges. One condition is given, what is that? Modulus of r is less than 1. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to convert this series. Listen. Okay, listen, another important result is limit n tends to infinity 1 minus r raised to n equal to, limit n tends to infinity 1 minus r raised to n equal to, 1 is a constant that can be taken outside, 1 minus limit n tends to infinity r raised to n, which is equal to 1 minus, if modulus of r is less than 1, if modulus of r is less than 1, then limit n tends to infinity r raised to n, that is equal to 0. Okay, another important result, if modulus of r is less than 1, then limit n tends to infinity r raised to n, that is equal to 0. Therefore this result is 1 minus 0. What is 1 minus 0? That is equal to 1. Now we are applying this result in this equation. That is, listen. That is limit n tends to infinity Sn. That is limit n tends to infinity a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r, which is equal to a and 1 minus r can be taken outside. A by 1 minus r into limit n tends to infinity 1 minus r raised to n. But we know that limit n tends to infinity 1 minus r raised to n is equal to 1. Therefore, this is a by 1 minus r into 1 into 1. This result is equal to 1. Therefore, a by 1 minus r is our final answer. That is limit n tends to infinity Sn equal to a by 1 minus r. Very important. Modulus of r is less than 1. This is a standard result. Please write down on your notebook. Very important equation. Remember that limit n tends to infinity Sn, where Sn is the sum of n terms of geometric progression. That is equal to a by 1 minus r. Remember that modulus of r is less than 1. Okay, what the idea? Please write down on your notebook. This result is very important. Now we can do some problem based on this equation. Okay. My first question is, listen. My first question is, show that the series 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus 1 by 81 plus etc. converges. Then find its sum. Question is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus 1 by 81 plus etc. converges and find its sum. Okay, this is our question. Remember that here what is our A? A is our first term, 1 by 9. And what is R? R means the common ratio. R is obtained by second term divided by first term. That is, here R is equal to 1 by 3. This is a geometric series. Okay, first term 1 by 9 and common ratio is 1 by 3. Now, we know that limit n tends to infinity Sn is equal to a by 1 minus r. Therefore, this can be written as 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus, which is equal to a by 1 minus r, which is equal to, what is our a? 1 by 9 divided by 1 minus r is 1 by 3. 1 by 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 6. That is our final answer. Okay. Remember that this series is converges and its sum is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. What the idea? Please write down on your notebook. Now we can do another problem. This answer is 1 by 6. Okay. Then the second question is, next question is, show that the series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n into 5 divided by 4 raised to n, which is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 16 minus 5 by 64 plus etc. Okay. Show that this series has the sum equal to minus 1. Show that this series is converges and it has the sum minus 1. Okay, this is our series. Minus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 16 minus 5 by 64 etc. Okay, remember that here what is our first term? A is the first term which is equal to minus 5 by 4. And what is the common ratio? R equal to common ratio is minus 1 by 4. Okay, common ratio is minus 1 by 4. First term is minus 5 by 4. Then we know that our equation is A divided by 1 minus R, which is equal to what is A? Minus 5 by 4 divided by 1 minus R. R is minus 1 by 4, which is equal to minus 5 by 4 divided by 1 plus 1 by 4. When we are solving this, we will get the answer is minus 1. Okay, what the idea? Please write down on your notebook. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, then please write on the comment box below. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.